Hello again, everybody. Welcome back to Super Fast Math. Today's topic is going to be one-sided limits. The thing you have to know about limits is we do not care about the actual value of the function at that point. We only care what the function is approaching. So namely, let's look here. X is 1 to the right. That's what that little plus means. So we look at 1. What's happening as we come to the right? Well, it's approaching this value of 4. It doesn't matter. It's a hollowed out circle. It's approaching that value 4, so the answer is 4. Let's look at the next one. What is 1 from the left? That's what that minus sign means. Well, if we look at this function, it looks like it's approaching 2, and that's our answer, 2. And what is f of 1 at this point? Well, there's no filled-in circle at 1, actually, so the correct answer is it does not exist. Let's move on to the next one. X goes to 2 from the left. Let's see. As we go to the left, this value is just approaching 1, so the answer is 1. What about 2 from the right? Well, if we go up here and we follow this graph, it's approaching 5, so the answer is 5. And what is the value at 2? The actual value is 3. That's what that solid filled circle is for. Move on to our next example. Limit as x goes to 0 from the right. So let's look down here. We're going from the right, and it looks like we're approaching -1. We're approaching from the left, and it looks like we're approaching 2. It does not matter that there is a filled-in circle here. That just happens in this case, and f of 0 is 2. So in general, this won't be true, but just for this case, it is. And now let's look at this one. X goes to -1 from the left. Well, it's approaching 2. X goes to -1 from the right. That's also approaching 2. So these are actually the same. But f of -1, where's that solid circle? It's at 1. So that's that value. So notice that these are different. And finally, our last example here. What happens as we approach 3 from the right? So we draw a line from the right going to where we're going, and it looks like it's approaching 2. Like this value here, whatever this is going to be 2. Limit as x goes to 3 from the left. What are we approaching? Well, it's still 2. And f of 3 in this case is actually 2. So I hope this helps. And just remember, the limits do not care about the actual value. They only care where the function is heading. That's all you need to know for one-sided limits. We're going to continue next.